So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Mickey Token. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this token project. So guys, let's start our video. You can check here official website interface Mickey Token. Disney meme coin on Solana pre-sale starts at $0.001, 100% potential gains to $0.01 in 40 days. Disney themed meme coin with massive wire potential and 10x growth. Join 10,000 plus investors in the hottest Solana meme token pre-sale 2025. Buy Mickey token now. Disney meme coin pre-sale with 1000% potential. Be early, be legendary. So guys, you can buy Mickey token now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet, Phantom, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. So guys, you can select wallet, then you can buy the Mickey token now. So guys, you can click here and select network, Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Coin, BNB, BTC, TRC20 USD. So guys, I select Solana and then you can enter the amount, then you can receive the quantity of Mickey token now. You can check here, you can buy the Mickey token now. You can check here, start $0.001, target $0.01, duration 40 days, phase pre-sale. So guys, you can check here the chart. You can click here and see the chart of Mickey token. You can check here, chart is coming soon. And next we go to the official website and see this further details. So guys, you can check here, you can scroll down and see this detailed progress, time progress 45%, sale progress 27%, time 45% completed, 27% sales completed. You can check here 22 days for 24 minutes remaining. You can scroll down and check here the live price of Mickey token. You can see this. You can check here partners and exchange coming soon: Maxic, Bitmart, KuCoin, Gate.io, CMC, CG, Binance, OKX. You can check here this token projects coming soon in following exchanges. You can check here total supply, circulating supply. You can check here allocation locked 80%, pre-sale 10%, airdrop 5%, marketing 5%. You can check here contract address. You can copy this contract address. You can check here security, liquidity locked, edit planet, multi-string. You can check here, you can see this how to buy. You can check here step by step process. Step 1, choose quantity and currency. Step 2, enter sole address and get payment address. Step 3, send the exact amount to the shown address, auto deducted. Step 4, after confirmations, tokens are sent to your sole address. You can check here. So guys, you can buy this token now. You can check here key features: Mickey wallet, mobile wallet, swap and stacking, game integrations, mini P2E games and quiz ecosystem, NFT marketplace, roadmap and community driven growth. And next you can scroll down, check here detailed tokenomics. You can check here total supply. You can see the circulating supply. You can check here. And next you can check here important fast question: what is Mickey, how do I buy, which currency can I pay with, how long does delivery take, how do tax work, is liquidity locked, what is the max valid. You can check here, you can see this all is the fact question. You can check here, you can enter your email address, then you can subscribe now and get updates about this token project. You can earn free Mickey token now. So guys, you can complete your task. So you can click here and see this task. So guys, you can complete your task now. You can see this. You can check here all is the task. So guys, you can see this complete task, earn tokens, total rewards $64. You can check here, you connect your wallet, then you can get started now. You can check here social media, 4 tasks available: Twitter, retweet, share story, join Telegram group, invite 10 people to Telegram. Content creation, 3 tasks available. Purchase, 1 task available. Mega reward opportunity. You can check here, you can see this. And next we go to the official website and see this further detail about this project. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Mickey token official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this. Check here, you can check here all posts. You can like and retweet this post. And next we back to the official website, and next we go to this project Telegram. So guys, you can click here and see this Mickey token Telegram Group chat community is open. You can check here 1564 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. And next guys we discuss this project roadmap. So guys, you can check here Mickey token roadmap phase 1 launch and pre-sale month 1 to 2. Kick off Mickey token pre-sale starting at $0.001, reaching $0.01 in 40 days. Lock 80% of total supply for 5 years. Community building, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, initial marketing, influencer and YouTuber collaborations. Phase 2 exchange listing month 2 to month 4. Complete pre-sale, 2 minor exchange listing, 1 major listing, Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko listing. Open first stacking pools. Phase 3 Mickey Wallet and ecosystem month 4 to 8. Launch Mickey Wallet in wallet stacking, swap and NFT market, community NFT collections, global marketing and billboard ads. Phase 4 gaming and payments. In-game payments with Mickey tokens, in-game NFT marketplace, play to earn mini game series. Phase 5 Mickey Pay and card year 2. Launch Mickey Pay virtual card worldwide, Visa and MasterCard payment, instant crypto fiat conversion, e-commerce payment partnerships. Phase 6 global expansion and DAO. Establish Mickey DAO for community governance, 50 plus exchange listing, adoption as a primary payment in gaming and metaverse, 10 million user target, Mickey Foundation charity for children project. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.